feeling constantly tired, weak, or struggling to catch your breath even after simple tasks. You might be dealing with iron deficiency anemia, and the solution could be sitting right in your kitchen. Iron deficiency is one of the most common nutritional deficiencies worldwide, affecting millions of people, especially women, children, and vegetarians. But here's the good news. Nature has provided us with incredible iron-rich foods that can help restore your energy levels and fight anemia naturally. Before we dive into these powerhouse foods, it's important to understand that there are two types of iron in our diet. Heme iron comes from animal sources and is easily absorbed by our bodies, while non-heme iron comes from plant sources and requires a little extra help for optimal absorption. The key is knowing which foods provide the most bang for your buck and how to combine them for maximum benefit. Spinach stands as one of the most celebrated iron-rich superfoods, and for good reason. This leafy green powerhouse contains about 3.82 milligrams of iron per cooked cup, along with vitamin C, which actually helps your body absorb the iron more effectively. The secret with spinach is to cook it rather than eating it raw, as cooking breaks down the oxalates that can interfere with iron absorption. Try sautéing spinach with garlic and a squeeze of lemon juice, or add it to smoothies with vitamin C-rich fruits like oranges or strawberries for a double iron absorption boost. Red meat, particularly lean beef and lamb, provides some of the most bioavailable iron you can find. A 3-ounce serving of lean beef contains approximately 2.5 milligrams of heme iron, which your body can absorb much more efficiently than plant-based sources. The beauty of heme iron is that it doesn't compete with other nutrients for absorption, making it an excellent choice for those with severe iron deficiency. Opt for grass-fed varieties when possible, as they tend to have higher nutrient content and better fatty acid profiles. Lentils are absolute nutritional champions for anyone fighting anemia, especially those following plant-based diets. 1 cup of cooked lentils delivers an impressive 6.6 milligrams of iron, plus they're packed with folate, protein, and fiber. The trick with lentils is pairing them with vitamin C-rich foods to maximize iron absorption. Try cooking red lentils with tomatoes, bell peppers, or serving them with a side of citrus-dressed salad. Soaking lentils before cooking can also help reduce compounds that inhibit iron absorption. Dark chocolate isn't just a delicious treat, it's actually one of the most surprising iron-rich foods for fighting anemia. A 1-ounce serving of dark chocolate with 70% cocoa or higher contains about 3.3 milligrams of iron. Choose high-quality dark chocolate and enjoy it as part of a balanced diet. You can grate it over iron-rich smoothies or enjoy a small square with vitamin C-rich berries for an antioxidant and iron-packed snack. Oysters and shellfish are among the richest sources of heme iron available, with 6 medium oysters providing approximately 5.5 milligrams of easily absorbed iron. These ocean treasures also supply zinc, vitamin B12, and other nutrients essential for healthy blood formation. If fresh oysters aren't readily available, canned oysters work just as well and can be added to pasta dishes, salads, or enjoyed on whole grain crackers. Pumpkin seeds might be small, but they pack a serious iron punch with about 2.5 milligrams per quarter cup serving. These versatile seeds are perfect for snacking and can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. Toast them with a pinch of sea salt for a crunchy snack, sprinkle them over salads, or blend them into smoothies. The zinc in pumpkin seeds also supports immune function and wound healing, making them a well-rounded addition to any anemia-fighting diet. Turkey and chicken, especially the dark meat portions, provide excellent sources of heme iron along with high-quality protein. A 3-ounce serving of turkey contains about 1.4 milligrams of iron, while chicken thighs offer slightly more iron than breast meat. These lean proteins are versatile and can be prepared in countless ways, from simple roasted preparations to incorporation into iron-rich stews with vegetables and legumes. Tofu and tempeh offer excellent plant-based iron sources for vegetarians and vegans fighting anemia. A half-cup serving of firm tofu provides approximately 3.4 milligrams of iron, while tempeh offers additional benefits from its fermentation process, which may improve nutrient absorption. Marinate tofu in citrus-based sauces or pair it with vitamin C-rich vegetables in stir-fries to maximize iron uptake. Quinoa stands out as a complete protein and iron-rich grain, providing about 2.8 milligrams of iron per cooked cup. This ancient grain is naturally gluten-free, and contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it particularly valuable for those with dietary restrictions. Cook quinoa in vegetable broth for extra flavor, or use it as a base for iron-rich salads loaded with spinach, pumpkin seeds, and citrus dressing. Fortified breakfast cereals can be incredibly helpful for meeting daily iron needs, with some varieties providing up to 18 milligrams per serving. Look for cereals fortified with iron and other essential vitamins, and pair them with vitamin C-rich fruits like strawberries or orange juice to enhance absorption. This is particularly helpful for children and busy adults who need convenient ways to boost their iron intake. The journey to overcoming iron deficiency anemia doesn't happen overnight, but incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into your daily meals can make a significant difference in your energy levels and overall well-being. Remember that consistency is key, and combining iron-rich foods with vitamin C sources while avoiding calcium-rich foods during the same meal can optimize your body's ability to absorb this crucial mineral. Fighting anemia naturally through food is not only possible, but delicious and sustainable. These iron-rich powerhouses offer you the tools to reclaim your energy and vitality while nourishing your body with wholesome, healing nutrition. Which of these iron-rich superfoods will you add to your grocery list this week? Share your favorite iron-boosting recipes in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more natural healing foods and nutrition tips that can transform your health from the inside out.